Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about how you can get started with your affiliate marketing business as a complete beginner in 2021. So it's been a while, I have made a video about affiliate marketing in depth, absolutely for beginners. So if you're a beginner and you want to get started with affiliate marketing business, so this is the video for you. So please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin, and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing. And also, I'll be documenting my journey on this channel, and also I'll be providing more technical stuff and also marketing stuff on this channel. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button. And also, if you need any type of help with your online business, be sure to schedule a free strategy call. Even if you have a business or if you want to get started with your online business, feel free to schedule a free strategy call. And coming back to today's topic, as a complete beginner, if you are just like me, couple of years back when I just googled out how to make money online, affiliate marketing was the best part which I picked up. I love affiliate marketing. So before even I talk about affiliate marketing, some people are not even aware what is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is nothing but whenever you promote someone else's product, if somebody buys through you, you're going to get paid a certain amount of commission. So as you can see, many apps they have refer and earn policies. It's similar kind of thing, but here you get your unique link, and if somebody buys through you, you're going to get paid commission. So so why I chose affiliate marketing is because as an affiliate marketer, all you need to is just focus on marketing. You don't have to take care of the shipment or the handling or customer complaints or delivery. So there are so many things like product owners, headaches of a product owner. But as affiliate marketer, you're just going to send traffic to that product through your link, and if the purchase happens, you're going to take some certain amount of commission from that product owner. So I highly recommend you go for any product that is giving you more than 20, 30, 40, even 50% commissions that are very, very good. So I highly recommend you go for that, because many people get started and even if you go and check Amazon Associates, the percentage are very, very low for affiliates. So I highly recommend you go for digital or courses that pays you very, very good commissions in terms of even the high ticket wise and also the percentage wise. So I have made a detailed video about what kind of products you should choose. You can go ahead and watch it. I'll leave the link in the description as well. And this is the step-by-step steps you should be following as a beginner. Is number one step is you're going to come and choose your niche or product. So this is very, very important, because it is important step, but I don't want you to think too much about it or spend too much time about it. Niche is nothing but the people you want to target. So you're going to choose one product that can actually help certain group of people in the world. So that is what is called as niche and a product selection. So as I told you, you're going to pick up a product that pays you good commissions, and also it serves people. It's you don't want to be selling a crappy product. You want to be selling a very good product in order to retain customers, in order to sell more. So where you can get those products, there are multiple sites, ClickBank, Amazon Associates, or even Zavizu. There are many affiliate networks out there. You can go ahead and pick up your product. Even if you just Google, you will find ton of products. So in this video, I'm going to take an example of Clickfunnels software. So it is a Clickfunnels software is a sales funnel builder software, where sales funnel is nothing but a website designed in step-by-step ways in order to help businesses to get more leads and sales. So that software helps to build those sales funnels. So Clickfunnels has an affiliate program, because I'm talking about this because I'm affiliate to Clickfunnels as well. So they pay you up to 40% commissions. Now they have changed tier levels. If you get started right now, you get 20%, and then you achieve certain goals, you get 40% so commissions. So now you have picked up your product. Okay, so this is your first step, and next step is you want to understand where are the people, what kind of people are in need of this software, and you are going to act as a bridge between them. So what I would do is I would sit down and make the list of it. Okay, the person who needs Clickfunnels software is a business owner, runs kind of a business like gym, restaurant, or an online business. He's a coach, he's a consultant, and he wants more sales, he wants more leads, but he's not aware like how you can get it. So he needs a sales process that needs to convert it for him, and ClickFunnels is the software that can actually help him build it. So this is one of the scenario. You can write on more description. This is called as avatar research. This is the most people, especially beginners, don't do that, but I highly recommend you do that, because in the long run, like you will see massive results if you do this the right way. So you can write down like what is their age, or like just random guy, who runs a gym, like who he wants to increase, he lives in certain particular location and he wants to increase his sales by this much percentage, and he's of this age, and he tries to serve what all things he could possibly do online. You're going to write down all those things, you're going to write down all the behaviors. Now you understand like the customers that you want to target. So this is one step. Now you have got the product, now you have got the avatar research of your ideal customer, and now you're going to produce content or like run ads in order to promote that particular product in order for this person. Now this person can hang out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or like many other sources. Now you're going to decide which platform you're going to produce content. I highly recommend you produce content, because even if you start running ads, like even if you say I have a lot of money, I'm going to run ads, even if you spend $100 and you're making $1,000 in return, that's the best ROI you are getting. But at some point of time, like no matter how good marketer you are, like you're going to get that email like your account ad account has been banned, your Facebook account ad account has been banned. So these things are out of your control. So once you lose that, like again your cash flow will stop. So you don't want to be happening to that. You're going to build a long-term business. So in order to do that, like you're going to create a brand for yourself, so that you can promote any other product that as an affiliate marketer. So now you're going to decide whether it is a YouTube, Facebook, or whichever platform you want to choose in order to produce content. So let's say you have chosen YouTube as a content, YouTube as a platform in order to promote ClickFunnels software. So now the next question comes like, what kind of content I should create? I have no experience. So now ClickFunnels has a 14-day free trial. You can just try it out for free. I have link in the description. With ClickFunnels you can go ahead and play around. There is a how I would prefer is like there is a challenge called as one funnel away challenge created by ClickFunnels itself, where it shows people like as a complete beginner how you can learn sales funnel, how you can in 30 days you will come up with your own sales funnel in the end. So I would send people to, I would first sell that, so that people become aware of sales funnels, or like how sales funnel can help their business. And in the end I'm going to promote my ClickFunnels softwares as well. So now I'm making two types of commission, for one funnel away challenge and also for ClickFunnels softwares. So what kind of content I should create? So content should be like it can be a ClickFunnels review, or it can be this is direct selling, like where you're reviewing a software, and you can do another type of videos like how to create a sales funnel in ClickFunnels, how to create a membership site in ClickFunnels, or there are a lot of things you can do with ClickFunnels. You can just make a how-to or tutorial kind of videos, and this is one kind of selling. And you can, while providing value, you can just tell people like I have a link in the description, you can go ahead and buy it now. Or this is one type of method like you can create. The other type of content that you can create is like indirectly talk about like sales funnels and how sales funnel can help you build their business. And ClickFunnels is one of the best softwares out there. You can go ahead and check it out. Indirectly you can come and promote it. So there are a lot of YouTube videos out there, like you can get more ideas, you can model it, and you can come up with your own version and produce content on a daily basis. And you don't want to be stopping at the first stage. So I know this may sound like too much work, but this is the way you go for it. And you may think like there are too many people doing it. Trust me, this is the thought like that holded me back for a long time. Once I started producing content, I started seeing my money in my bank account. Trust me, that will happen with you as well. So now you have got your product, like you have done your customer avatar research, and then like you have chosen a platform, you have started producing content. And one more thing apart from that, like this is now you're selling directly and indirectly as well. So it's going to, the results you're going to see in the coming days as well. But there is one more important step like I wanted to add. like you're going to start building your list from day one. What you can do is like what I meant by this is like, let's say you have built your audience on YouTube, or it could be on Instagram, or it could be on Facebook. So you have a huge audience, and all of a sudden tomorrow YouTube bans your channel or Instagram bans your account. So these are things out of your control. So in order to gain control, there is an important asset that you need to be start building from day one, that is your email list. Email list is nothing but like whenever somebody enters their email address, you capture them and you can send daily emails. Nowadays you must be aware that is called as email marketing. So this is an online asset that you need to must for affiliate marketer, because for example, like right now you're promoting Clickfunnels hardcore, all the audience is built around Clickfunnels, and all of a sudden Clickfunnels stops its affiliate marketing business and said, affiliates, we are not going to pay you anymore. So now you're going to need to promote any other product. Like now you're going to go and find a product and again do that. So instead of doing that, like you're going to collect their email address, start building your list. Once you have that list, even if the product changes or your platform gets banned, you still have their email address, and that people know you because they have come and entered their email address in exchange of you giving something. So you can go ahead and start promoting something else, or you can go ahead and start promoting your own services in the long run. So that's the power of email list. So you don't want to be underestimating that, the power of email list from the beginning. I know it may sound like I don't want to be doing that, but trust me, that is the most important thing that you are going to do. So to lay it out, like again everything, go ahead and find your niche or product, and pick up see like what kind of people you want to target, write more descriptive information about them, and see where they're hanging out. Based on that, choose a platform where you're good at and start producing content directly, indirectly selling. And other thing is like at the same time you want to start building your list as well. So these are simple steps. If you do it, if you make a daily action plan, and if you start doing it on a daily basis, trust me, you will see results. And you don't want to be giving up for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months. At least you should try it for at least a year. Trust me, you will see results in your online business. And if you right now, if you are getting massive value from this video, please hit that subscribe button and give it a like to this video. And if you think like it is a lot for you and you need a one-on-one hand to you in order to build your online business, somebody like come and tell you like what to do on a daily basis, or become a guide to you, you can schedule a free strategy call, and we are happy to help you. And if you need one-on-one coaching, like we are providing that as well. So you can go ahead and schedule a call and see how we can help you. And I hope you are getting value from this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.